Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women crochet long skirt designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women crochet long skirt design. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of skirt design. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more design and more ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crochet long skirt design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please friends, don't forget to like me, share me, comment me, subscribe me please. And also gives a feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of women crochet long skirt design? Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful long skirt designs in the birthday party or wedding party. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.